Hey YouTube, welcome back. As you can see, I got this PROMARK VR drone here. So this is a virtual reality drone for ages 14 and plus. This is 2.4 gigahertz FPV real-time video and image transmission quadcopter, VR 3D glasses, and VR remote control console. So this one is basically looks similar to the DJI Phantom 3. So I was just shopping and I saw this box and it catch my eyes. So because this remind me of the Phantom 3, but this one it comes with the VR goggle or glasses, and it has a real-time VR remote control console included, but smartphone is not included. Okay, so you could download the PROMARK VR drone aerial photography app and stream real-time video to your smartphone. So it has a smart flight 720p HD camera. Unfortunately, this one does not support 1080p, and it has a headless mode. It has a Wi-Fi streaming, auto takeoff, app enabled, and one key landing or auto hovering, and one button flip. So it's up to 12 minutes of flight times. So let me give you a 360 view of the box real quick, guys. So let me see if I could try to flip it. So this is the side of the box. You could go to your app store for your iPhones to download the app, or your Android, and go into the Google Play Store. You could also like them on the Facebook or their YouTube. You could scan their barcode. And there's a QR code right here that you can scan for the iOS system software, or you could click on this one for the Android systems. So you gotta connect the P70-VR battery to the drone in the internal battery compartment and press the power button. Once the drone lights up, go to your smartphone and access your setting, and then go to Wi-Fi and search for the P720 VR wireless signal. Once connected to the drone, exit your setting and open the Pro VR app and click play to access the control interface for real-time video. So you open the software PROMARK VR and click on the play icon, and then the real-time image or video will appear on the smartphone screen, and then you control by your smartphone. So you could take off or rotate the camera or the drone around 360, and it includes headless mode. Flying times range from 9 minutes to 12 minutes, maybe less, depend on flight speed and stunts, including blade protectors. Charging time is 4 to 5 hours. Drone battery is 7.4 volt, 200 milliamp lithium ion battery included. remote control battery requires a 4 AA 1.5 volt battery, which is not included. It features a 6-axis gyro. Features a colorful flashing lights. Include a cordless motor. Feature a 2.4 gigahertz radio control technology. Control distance up to 250 to 300 meters or 820 to 984 feet. So I'm going to give the others, this is the back view. So right here is basically the same description. I forgot to mention, this one has a 75-degree articulating 720p HD camera. So I guess it's tilting a 75-degree angle. I don't think this is motorized or adjustable. So I gotta open it up and do the review and let you guys know. I'll give you the back. So it's a warning, choking hazard. Smart parts are not for children under 3 years. And this is made in China. So the length is about 500. The length of the drone is 500 millimeter. The width is 500, so it's like a square. And then the height is about 190 millimeter. The weight is 579 grams. And the model for this is P70-VR. And it's distributed by IMS Inc. at St. Paul. So let me give you a top view, guys. So top view, just basically nothing. It has a warning label for the lithium ion battery, and it comes with a handle. So let's go ahead and get it started, guys. I know you're anxious to want to see. Dun, dun, dun. Are you guys ready, guys? Yes, no, maybe. Ooh, what is that? Let me put it down, guys. So I can pull this drone out. So it's come with this VR remote controller console included. So there's a speed plus minus. Hold to reset. What's that say? So small. One button something. And this is your on and off switch. This is I'm not sure it's trimmer or taking a picture. I gotta read the instruction real quick. And this is where you mount your smartphone. Too bad this one does not mount your tablets, okay guys? Oh, so this is probably the flip or do the stunt. So this is the trimmer. Left, right, up, down, left, right. So it takes 4 of the AA batteries. So I have my rechargeable battery. So this one you could tilt. You can unscrew this right here. So you tilt however which angle you feel more comfortable from viewing. After that you tied it. And this one has a sponge padding. Okay. Whoa. Use my knife. Oh, it's on both sides. Ah, my freaking finger. Ah, my knife. Shit. Ouch. Gosh. So these are the blades. Freaking knife try to cut me. I'm gonna try to fold it at the same time. Look at that. See. So these are the blades. The tools and the screws that come with it. Oh my god, I'm losing it. Wow, it's kind of tiny screws. It's kind of thin. So I got one. Oh, it says right there, spare blade screws. Blade protector screw. Landing rack. And come with the Phillips screws driver. Let me put this away before I lose it. Jeez. Now let's get to the drone, guys. So it is taped up. Wow, nice. Also, the two blades that I got, those are extra blade in case you break them. You have to make sure you install the blade properly, okay? Because they have this alphabet A or B. See? Letter B right here and letter A. There's a different rotation. You gotta do it opposite, you know, to have your drone fly in a, or else it's not gonna balance right. So it comes with this black stickers, 2 black one and 2 shiny like a lime green. And it comes with the instruction manual. Probably need to read it before I do the first flight. And you got 4 of this, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 of the blade guards, actually 6, 2 probably extra just in case you break them. For me, I know I need to put all 4 of them. I don't want to have the blade cut my eyes or my head or whatever. And these are the landing gear, landing rack. So I gotta install this with those screws that come with it. And come with this charging cable, USB to this rounded charging cable. They better not. I only got 2 of this. Supposed to come with 4. Hopefully it's in there somewhere, or else I'm gonna have a problem. Oh, I'm sorry. Come with it already. Those 2 are just a replacement. Look at this badass looking drone. The landing gear is pretty flexible. And then there's your camera. Wow, you could tilt. It looked like it has a servo, so you could tilt the camera. Nice. So as you can see, this is the on and off button right here. And there's your charging port. And it has 4 LED lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully there you got 2 green one, 2 red one, or 2 blue, 2 red, or something like that, because so you know which one is forward and backward. And then there's a battery door right here. It seems like it's soldered in already. I see the connector. I'm not sure it's a removable or not. I don't think so. So you got your PROMARK. Not sure the arrow does it light up or what. It could be, yeah. probably transparent, so you can see the light up here too. So you got 4 individual motors. So you can see it labels B and then letter A. So BA and then BA, yeah. So your drone could be balanced properly. If you put AA, BB like that, your drone probably fly sideways or tilting it, center. So I believe you gotta remove this cover. Yeah, there's a cover here. You need to remove it. Oh, maybe the screw is. I need to take out that tiny screw in order to remove the cover. As you can see, there are 2 holes on the bottom right there. So once you put this guard in there, you see those 2 holes, you just screw in with the screw that come with it, the extra screw in the bag, and then screw in like that. So hopefully this one has audio, because some of the drones that I bought previously or did a review on, some of them they don't record audio. And then the last is the VR360 or 3D headset. Come with this nice bag. Well, as you know, just this VR, ooh, pretty high quality and shiny. So, oh, come with this nice strap though. Let's see if I can open it down. So these are the 2 adjustments for your lens to go in and out. I believe this is to focus. I'm trying to open this one. Why so hard? Oh my god! It is magnet, but I'm not sure. Damn, it is some good magnet. So strong. Damn. Gotta be careful. You don't want to break it though. So there are the 2 adjustments right here for your different size of smartphones. And this button up here is there's like a dialer to adjust your focus, I believe. And then this strap, kind of tight, because somehow this strap is pretty thick, so it's kind of hard to maneuver. So I gotta pull out slowly, so it'll come out nice. You don't want to force it and then break the plastic or something. Just let it play with it. So there you go. It fits your head. Has this nice padding. I hate it when they put the cheap foam right here and there's no padding at all. Well, I gotta find out about this button, and then, well, normally it's to focus, but I don't see anything move that much. Oh, it's slowly. Yeah, I can see it now. Alright guys, so please stay tuned for the upcoming video on this in-depth full review. I need to charge the drone, probably give a couple hour charge before I could do a review or play with it anyway. And I will need to read the instruction and then go over real quick about the control and download the app. Alright guys, so please be sure to like the video and then give a thumbs up and subscribe, comment and share it. Also, turn on your notification so you won't miss out any of the unboxing like this or any of the review. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.